Government is committed to ensuring that Jamaica has world-class infrastructure. Whether it is your bridges, your roads, your drains and culverts, Jamaica must have world-class infrastructure.
In the fiscal year that runs from April 1, 2025 to March 31, 2026, the government has outlined a budget of $1.26 trillion to run the affairs of the country, with the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation receiving $66 billion of that allocation. A little over half of that will take care of the ministry's recurrent responsibilities. That includes the operating expenses of the Forestry Department, the National Land Agency, the National Environment and Planning Agency, and the National Works Agency. The remaining $30.5 billion will be going to its special capital projects. Of the ministry's capital expenses, road and related infrastructure works are driving away with the bulk of that allocation, with approximately $24.95 billion. Most of that investment is being put into easing congestion into the second city and opening up new lands for structured development through the Montego Bay Perimeter Road project. The project, which started in April 2019, has been extended to March 2028.
The historical development of the country. We have built roads without necessarily contemplating what the future will hold. So the roads are built for small towns. And really what you have developing now are complex cities being developed, which leads us to do projects like these.
The Shared Prosperity through Accelerated Improvement to a Road Network SPARK project enjoys the next largest portion of the capital budget. SPARK will be spending $8 of its $45 billion budget in the coming financial year as it begins the work to transform 250 kilometers of road across the country over 3 years.
The Jamaican public listening on should understand that the SPARK program is a capital investment. And the difference between regular maintenance and the capital investment is that the capital investment creates entirely new value.
While SPARK is being accelerated, the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project will continue. Set to be completed by March 2027, it has been allocated $2.5 billion in this 2025-26 fiscal year. This will allow the government to wrap up outstanding land acquisitions and JPS pole relocation and continue the waterline and road works. Efforts to dualize the Brayton Road and Helsher Main Road will also progress at a cost of $350 million. This is the road from Niagara Head to the Texaco gas station to East Mid Street, and the objective is to improve mobility and ease congestion in the area. The designs and drawings have been completed, and going into the new financial year, the contract will be awarded with work beginning. And the new Troy Bridge being constructed on the border of Trelawney and Manchester will get an additional $100 million.
The bridge is designed using a 3-box culvert support structure. So in effect, the water will be going through the culverts with a paved invert, essentially. And using that design adds great reinforcement to the carrying surface of the bridge, which means that the bridge can carry significant weight.
The Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation is using the remainder of its capital budget to execute some key development projects. $2.5 billion is the continued construction of the much-anticipated Portmore Resilience Park. The project aims to create a 21-acre green space for Portmore's residents. It will boast multi-purpose sports courts and an indoor sports complex, children play area and jogging trail, a commercial complex with several shops for rents and car park for up to 370 vehicles and 3 security posts. Shifting gears, Development Bank of Jamaica's Big E program is getting $1.69 billion to continue the work of promoting sustainable and robust growth among startups and small and medium enterprises. It's financed jointly through a grant from the European Union and a loan from the Inter-American Development Bank. The Montego Bay Waterfront Protection Project will get $350 million to help with its aim of reducing beachfront loss to coastal erosion. In the new financial year, the government expects to finish waterfront protection interventions at the southern groins and complete a wall revetment at the North Gully. In its bid to enhance access to potable water across 6 parishes, the ministry has earmarked $300 million for the Rural Water Supply Improvement Project. This will bring reliable water supply to residents in the Aqualta Vale Jordan Run scheme in St. Mary, Albert Town Ulster Springs scheme in Trelawney, Kemps Hill in Clarendon, Mesa Hall in St. Mary, Union Balaclava scheme in St. Elizabeth, and Portmore Erie Castle scheme in St. Thomas.
Water is indeed a priority of your government, and that priority is being matched with investment, it is being matched with action, and it is being managed very well by the agencies in charge of this mandate.
The government is also fulfilling its international obligations, assigning $250 million to support the renovation of Block 11 on Port Royal Street to establish the United Nations offices in Jamaica.
This initiative is a testament to our government's ability to mobilize resources, leverage strategic partnerships, and execute transformative projects that benefit all Jamaicans.
The Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation continues to foster economic advancements while working to help build a truly developed Jamaica.